Okay. So ito guys, kung mapapansin nyo, may neighbor ako na kinuha yung part ng task ko. So what I can do, ito, report nyo kagad to, delete. Okay? Before doing anything, report mo kagad kung may part ng task mo, occupy the neighbor. Tapos, start doing your task. Yan, tingnan natin to. Wala sa lugar. Control. Yun. Sige. So, position, shift. So, alt button. Kasi mukhang pantay sila. So, matandaan nyo, lahat ng adjustments ko in terms of relation to height sa kaliwa ko ginagawa. Okay, next. Cut. Ayun. So, 2, 3. Oops, sobra. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ungroup. Make sure you draw this. Ito, kung ano mo. Extension niya dito sa likod ng bahay niya. And kung tama na siya, di ito lang. 5. Then ito, make sure you group. Then ito, tingin ko ito magka-group to. End unit siya. So, sarap pag end unit, di ba? Lagi kami extra lupa. As 3, 2, F3, F2, F3. Yan, all good, di ba? Wala masyadong issue. Parang may extra to, pero parang wala. Wala akong nakita sa ibang views eh. Mukhang wala naman. So, ingat guys ha, kasi yung iba nakakalimutan check yung likod, yung backyard, yung pala may extension. So, let's make sure we check them. Drag sidewall to correct bottom. Yan. So, basta tama tignan, okay na yun. Ito, sobra. So, good. Questions, guys? I'm sorry, Peter, I didn't see you here. So,
it's okay.
Yeah, I hope you were able to follow. So, one more task for Peter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys. So, just to make sure we're aware, so we're doing a demo project for townhouses. So, we need to cut them in equal sizes or based on property line, as you can see. So, the best reference that you can get are the fences, okay? And normally, the end units will have the larger cut of the property. So, we have to be a bit careful on that part. Okay, so here's a very good example. So as you can see, fences are really visible. Okay, so use it as a reference. Where and how to cut. So press Q. So just follow this. So I'll use F. So I can make a straight line. 2, 3, 4. Okay, then press P. Okay, so there it is. That's my townhouse. I think I made a wrong cut there. So let's check again. F. Here. Okay, so it's a bit of a tall house. So you need to make some adjustments. A little adjustment. Okay, ano. Then press P. Okay. So if you want to make some adjustment, press V in this one, then cut it somewhere it's almost equal. Fine. Okay. Press 5. Sorry, you have to ungroup. Make sure they are ungrouped because it will cause a lot of error. There. Okay, then ungroup. Make sure you ungroup the townhouse and group only the related buildings. When you say related buildings, the only houses that are supposed to be together. So this one, and then for this, layer at the back of the house, make sure you capture it correctly. F. Okay, so this one almost exact. Let's make minor adjustments as necessary. Okay, then group this one. Any layer at the back? None. Any layer at the back? This one has a layer at the back, so I'll use H again. And F. Then use Alt button to position. Looks good. Then group this one. On the other side, let's check. Okay, so I will ungroup, press 5. I'll cut. I think this is already in good position, so I'll just follow where to cut this one. I'll use F. Then P, press 5. Select, then press 5. And then this one, two, okay. These 2 units has additional buildings at the back. Press Q so you can see the lines or inner lines. Then H again. Okay, then F. All right, so it's not matching. Use the Alt button so it will adjust to proper position. Sometimes you have to move it sideways to get it right. So this one is good. Press 4 to group. This one also needs to be grouped. And this is a smaller part of the house, so I'll use H. So I'll just hit here, F. And then use Alt button to adjust the layer or the height. It's too big, right? So you need to make some adjustments. I think it's not gonna cross there anyway. So make some adjustments on the height, and there you go. Then group this portion, press 4. You have one here, as you can see. So I'll use H again to capture this one. All right, that looks good already for me. So I'll group this one. And I'll group this one. So as you can see, there are some townhouses that are multi-layered, some are not. Here, did you get it, Peter? And don't
Yes,
forget,
I did.
All right, good. So don't forget to confirm each pages in the right panel. I think I missed something. Yeah, I missed one, this portion. So use H. Guys, don't make sure you capture every aspect of the house because this is a demo project. You want to make sure that we get everything almost correctly. Yeah. There, it's good. So this is still part of this house. 4. B. B. One is not matching properly, so I just need to move. All right, I'll make adjustments a little bit. All right, so this one is good. Press Y just in case there's no, okay, no drag wall to side. No drag the sidewall to correct button. So submit the task. Are we all good, guys? Are we all clear? Questions? Out of working area, which one? So which is my target building? This is not my target building. So I'll just go ahead and delete this. To submit. Yep, I can. So I'll just delete this portion. It's not my target building. So this is my only target building. So I can go ahead and submit my task. Okay, all good?